Ladies and gentlemen, thank you and welcome to the ADI Expo 2026. This happens to be the biggest one-day expo here hosted by ADI Global.
We bring together vendor partners, customer partners, and their distribution partner, ADI, in one location to showcase all the new technology, new products, innovations that the security industry has brought forward each and every year.
We have over 40 or 50 vendors on the showroom floor showing you what's new in the industry.
So I'm going to take you into the expo hall and show you the scale to which ADI has taken this. So this happens to be the exhibition hall here we have at ADI Expo. I'm just going to take you in and show you the massive scale that we have here. As you can see, we still have lots and lots of manufacturers still setting up their booths. We have manufacturers like the 𝗘𝘅𝗽𝗃, we have guys from Hanwha Ultronics, we have guys here from 𝗘𝘅𝗽𝗃.
The key factor is that it's going to support anything that's going to be AI compliant and ready in the future.
I don't need to tie into an infrastructure. I put it where I need it to be. I give it the power. And through 𝗘, I talk to it.
So ADI has set up a series of educational seminars that are going to be well suited for people who are willing to expand and fill in those gaps within their knowledge.
The software itself, it does not perceive this as a wireless door. It counts this as another hardwired door. And you can scale up to 200 of these bad boys on your site that you've already got 7 doors on.
You know, how do I elevate my security? Facial recognition is really one of the ways that we can do that.
We're not creating products that we think they'll need. We're listening and adapting and making that product, and they're asking for it, so it's here.
They're ready to go out of the box. There's no program required, so we make the installation very simple for the installer.
AI doing the edge calculations, we're pushing a lot of the heavy lifting from a processing perspective to the edge.
Though it will ruin the human eye if you try and look at it.
I like the way it's compact.
You could do a map of where a person had gone inside of a retail environment.
I stand tall of being a woman in the security industry. It wasn't easy.
Like AI is a trend that's been driving this industry just like many others.
It's all about timing and it's about desire.
Traditional card reader doors are going away for something more simplistic.
If you're not here, you're missing out at the greatest opportunity.
The 2026 Expo that has been organized by ADI Global has finally come to a close. It was a very eventful event since we arrived. It was phenomenal to see a room packed with so much knowledge and technology with different vendors and integrators coming under one roof to try and explore what is up for the next security industry. For Delmi Training Institute, our students had the opportunity to engage with lots of these vendors, manufacturers, representatives. Thank you for watching the Delmi Training Institute. My name is Roland, and we'll see you on the next one.